Today in this video, we're diving into 8 of the best free online survey platforms that actually pay you real money and not just gift cards, but real cash straight to your PayPal or bank account. Let's be honest, not all survey sites are worth your time. Some pay a few cents or pennies only, while others don't even send you enough surveys to cash out. But don't worry, I've tested and researched these platforms so you don't have to do so. So stick with me to the end, where I'll also share a bonus tip so you can maximize your earnings with your surveys. So then, if you're ready to turn your free or spare time into extra cash, then let's get started. First up, we have Swagbucks, which is one of the most popular survey platforms out there. What's good about them is that they offer multiple ways to earn money, including surveys, watching videos, playing games, and even shopping online. The best part is new users will also get a $10 sign-up bonus just for joining and completing their first task. Not bad, right? Okay. Payout is by PayPal cash or gift cards, and their minimum cash out is $3 for gift cards and $25 for PayPal. This site is best for people who are wanting to earn multiple options beyond just surveys. So here's a pro tip. You should always check your featured survey section because these tend to pay more and also take less time. Next up, we have Survey Junkie. Now then, if you're looking for a site which solely focuses on surveys, then this one is a great pick. You can earn points for each survey, which you can then redeem for PayPal cash or direct bank transfers. Payout is through PayPal direct bank deposit or gift cards. The minimum cash out is $5 and it's best for people who are looking for a simple survey only experience. Now then, the best thing is Survey Junkie has been one of the highest paying survey approval rates, meaning you don't waste time getting disqualified as often as you do on other platforms. So number 3 on our list is Inbox Dollars, who are similar to Swagbucks, and this site lets you earn money through surveys, reading emails, or even playing games. Additionally, they offer a $5 sign-up bonus when you join up. So payout is with PayPal gift cards or prepaid Visa cards. The minimum cash out is $10. This site is best for those who like variety while they earn money. Moreover, one downside I've seen is that some surveys take a little bit longer to complete, but the payout is usually worth it. So next up, we have My Points. The good thing is that this site has been around since 1996, so it's legit. You earn points for completing surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. Again, payout is through PayPal or gift cards, and their minimum cash out is $5. And this site is best for anyone who shops online regularly. And a great perk is that they give cash back when you shop through their site. So if you're making regular purchases anyway, then that's an easy way to stack up extra earning. Now then, let's talk about Google Opinion Rewards. Unlike other survey sites, this one sends you short surveys directly from Google. They're super quick and usually under a minute long, and the pay is great for the time spent. Again, payout is through Google Play credits or PayPal cash. They have a minimum cash out, but not minimum automatic payouts. They are best suited for people who want short, easy surveys. The only downside is you won't get surveys every day, but when you do, they're easy money. Next up is Amazon Mechanical Turk or MTurk, and this one is crowdsourcing platform where you can complete small tasks, including surveys for money. Payout is with Amazon gift cards or direct deposit to your bank account. The minimum cash out is $1. They are best for people who really don't mind doing small, quick tasks for money. So while the pay can be low at first, once you build up your reputation and loyalty, you can then qualify for higher paying surveys. So number 7 on our list is free cash. Again, this site allows you to earn money by completing surveys, playing games and watching ads. So take your pick and earn even more money by watching ads. They pay through PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards. And minimum cash out is 10 cents for crypto and $5 for PayPal. And these are best suited for those of you who are looking for instant cash out options. What's super cool is they offer one of the lowest withdrawal limits, meaning you can cash out almost immediately, which is great. So number 8 on our list is QME. This one's unique because it pays you for searching the web, and in addition to surveys, they offer payout through PayPal or gift cards. They have no minimum cash out, so then you can cash out as often as you want to. This one is best suited for people who want instant payouts. So here's a pro tip. You can go ahead and install your browser extension to earn you extra money passively while you browse online. So then these platforms are genuine and they actually pay out real money. Now here's my bonus tip. You should sign up for multiple survey sites, and this way you can certainly increase your chances of getting more surveys and maximizing your earnings. Also, don't forget to check your email notifications because some high-paying surveys are on a first-come, first-served basis. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and drop me a comment down below to let me know which survey sites you are excited to try. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.